Welcome back to Buy Smart, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. On my left, we have the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. The mop that promises to clean and sanitize your floors without turning your home into a chemistry lab. And on my right, we've got the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop. Because who wouldn't want a mop that sounds like it's ready to take on a shark in a swimming pool? Let's see which one of these steam beauties will reign supreme in the battle of the mops. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at around $92, making it a great choice for those looking to save some money. On the other hand, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop comes in at a higher price point of $149. Reviewers have noted that while the Shark is a bit pricier, it offers excellent performance. However, if you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly option, Bissell takes the cake. Next, we've got cleaning power. The Bissell claims it can eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria using just the natural power of steam. Reviewers have praised it for its effectiveness, especially on textured ceramic tile floors, without the need for scrubbing. Meanwhile, the Shark is also effective, but has been described as needing a bit more effort to get the best results. So if you want to fight germs like a pro, Bissell's got your back. Now let's get into the features. The Bissell comes with a flip-down easy scrubber, which is perfect for those tough messes. Reviewers appreciate the adjustable steam levels and ease of use. In contrast, the Shark requires some pumping to get started, which some users found a bit cumbersome. If you want a mop that's ready to go without a workout, Bissell is the way to go. Let's talk steam control. The Bissell has Smart Set digital steam control, allowing you to choose from high, medium, or low steam. Reviewers love this feature for its versatility. The Shark, however, has been noted to have a longer wait time for steam to appear, leaving some users frustrated. So for those who want control over their steam, Bissell is the clear winner. Finally, let's discuss accessories. The Bissell includes microfiber pads and Spring Breeze fragrance discs, making mopping a more pleasant experience. Reviewers have highlighted this feature as a bonus. Meanwhile, the Shark comes with fewer accessories, and some users have noted the lack of extra mop pads. For those who want a little extra love with their cleaning, Bissell is the obvious choice. In summary, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is highly praised for its affordability, cleaning power, and convenient features. Customers appreciate its ability to tackle tough messes and adjustable steam control. On the other hand, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is recognized for its effectiveness and solid construction, but some users find it a bit pricier and less user-friendly. Both mops have their strengths, but Bissell seems to have the edge in overall satisfaction. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for an affordable, powerful, and feature-rich steam mop, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you're feeling adventurous and want to try the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop, you might find it suits your needs too. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this steam mop showdown, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description.